You coming? Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. There's that woodpecker right there. You coming? Come on. I think that's the female red-bellied woodpecker. Come on, if you're coming down here, get some pecans. Oh man, my shoulder. Here comes the red-headed woodpecker right here. Here comes Woody Woodpecker right there. My name that Woodpecker, Woody Woodpecker. I remember growing up back in the 50s, 1950s and 1960s. We used to watch Woody Woodpecker. Look at both of them. There he is, and there she is. Both of them on the same tree. She's above him. Here he comes. Come on. You coming over here? Come over here and get some of them pecans, Woody. Come on, Woody Woodpecker. Come on, Woody Woodpecker. Get some of them pecans, Woody Woodpecker. Come on. I moved. I made a sudden move with my fingers there, and he didn't like it. What is it? I hear you right there. Get you a pecan. Tell that girl, come on down here and get her one. Tell that girl, come on down here and get her one. There he is right there. He's over there in the wire of that tree, breaking that pecan on up smaller. Here he comes back for more. He's upside down on that tree. Funny how them squirrels and birds just walk upside down like that. He ran her off. He talking about, honey. He says, honey, I got that man to bring you some pecans. Now get on down there and get some pecans. Look at him. He's chasing her. He telling him, get down there and get some of them pecans. He's chasing her. He's on a tree on the right. There she is. Look at him. Look at him. Go get some pecans. Come on back. I got something I'm fixing to go do. Stop this video. Stop.